Hello, this is Jane with Personally Yours. Hope you're doing well today. I just wanted to bring you a little video showing you a couple of little small projects you can do to decorate your workspace for Christmas, to personalize it and make it Christmassy. The first thing I'm going to show you is a little pillow that I had bought at Hobby Lobby this year. I believe they're already sold out, but I'm sure they'll bring it back again next year because it's just very darling. It comes just in the buffalo plaid. There's no decoration on it, but I thought I wanted to add a little pop of color. Around the midriff area of the tree, I made a little bias tape with a scrap of fabric that I bought there. It has a kind of Western flavor, but even if you're not into Western, that bandana pattern with the red looks really cute on the tree. At the top of the tree, I made a star from my maker's plastic. I cut this particular star using my Cricut Maker. You go to the Cricut Maker, the first page where it has all the shapes, and I do believe they're adding a lot of shapes to that, and you just pick the star. You can make it whatever size you want. Like you could be making big stars for a bigger tree than this, but it's very easy to do. On the top of the Maker's Plastic, I had this fabric, red plain fabric that I cut out just with scissors, and I had placed cross stitch on it just to give it a little bit of personality. So you can either paint the star, or I thought this gave it a cute look, a little whimsical look with a little bit of splash of white on the red. This particular picture is a kit. The very center of it is a kit from Join Fabric. It's made by Diamond Dots, D-O-T-Z. There are a lot of people that do Diamond Dots kits, and the center of this picture is Home for the Holidays, a kit that Joanne had out last year of the red truck, and I'm sure it's going to be popular again next year, although I'm not sure whether this particular kit is available. You can choose any kind of pattern you want, but I thought the truck was really cute. And as you can see, the white edge around the truck, it is my Maker's Plastic. Then on the background of the picture, that buffalo check, are 3 different colors of diamond dots: the black, the gray, and the white. And it's a really easy pattern that I made up. And you can add this kind of pattern as a border to any of the pictures that you make. Then you glue the diamond dots that are already made on their gluable fabric, and you place it on the Maker's Plastic that I had cut out, and it's ready to hang. Keeping it simple, yet coordinated and enjoyable to personalize your work area. This is Jane with Personally Yours. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you some more craft ideas and decor ideas to keep it simple, but enjoy it and make it personally yours. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day, and I will talk to you later.